Hi, good day to my professor, Sir Erwin Moral. This is my course project in Programming Language and Compiler, and my name is Loreline Impil. So, in this activity, need to find out what is the output. So, first name, we have Elon. Last name, Mas. Country, USA. And year of birth, 1971. And first statement will print Elon Musk is from USA. And next statement, he is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX. Last statement, we need to know Elon Musk's current age. So we need to run the enter the current year 2025. Oh, so he is now turning 54. So currently Elon Musk is turning 54. Next activity, do you want to know the estimated days how old you are today? If yes, then let's run it. Number of days in a year equals 365. Print statement, do you want to know the estimated days, how old you are today? Then we run. Enter your year of birth. I'm 1991. So 1991. Enter current year, 2025. So currently, I am 12,410 days old. Proceeding to activity 2, contact tracing form program for COVID-19. I define three methods. These are get patient info, get COVID symptoms, and min method. So for us to know, let's run. Enter your name, Loreline. Enter current temperature in Celsius, 37. Do you have fever? No. Do you have cough? No. Do you have sore throat? No. Do you have shortening of breath? No. Do you have fatigue? Let's say yes. Do you have body pain? No. So the output, I am infected with COVID-19. So that's all for this course project, and thank you.